How to stop lagging in Fortnite? 1. Adjust Fortnite graphics settings. 2. Update your graphics card and network adapter drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Windows PC only, adjust for best performance and turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and services only. 4. Using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 5. Change your Fortnite matchmaking region. Path, settings, game language and region, re-choose matchmaking region. 6. Apply the below options in Fortnite settings, frame rate limit, either 30 or 60 FPS. Quality presets, low. Anti-aliasing and super resolution, off. Rendering mode, performance, beta.